Hi, I'm Oakley Jones with the Harken Tech team, and I'm here to show you how to rebuild your cam cleat. And you're going to need a couple of tools to do this. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a punch or a bolt, little hammer, and something to catch all the balls that are going to fly everywhere when you disassemble the cam. First thing to do is take your screwdriver, pull the bottom base off. Exposes the bottom side of the cam cleat, and you'll see these two springs. This is one of the places that these springs can break or just come dislodged over time, and this is one of the first places that you can want to check if the cam cleat, if the arms aren't snapping open and closed. All right. I'm going to remove these springs. Put them aside. Now you have the cam, no springs. And now it's time to disassemble. Take your punch, stick it down in, give it a little whack. All the balls go everywhere. Do the same thing to the other side. So at this point you want to take the aluminum pieces, clean these up under the running water with some soap and water, get these all cleaned up, and then set these aside. Here's the rebuild kit for the 150 cam. We'll crack this open. Instructions on how it goes back together. Very good to keep in mind and use. And to do it over a box or something where you can contain all the balls that are going to fly everywhere when you're putting these together. So first thing, put the base in the box. Dump all the balls into the box. Grab your tweezers and then slowly start to fill one side at a time with bearings. So this can get a little tedious with the balls jumping everywhere. If you start to struggle, one thing you can do is take a little shaving cream, put it on the ball, and then drop it on. What the shaving cream does is the shaving cream just keeps the ball in the race and won't let it slide off. What you need to do after that is, once it's assembled, bring it to the sink, rinse everything out before you reinstall it to the deck. Now, like I said, this can get a little tedious, so we're going to show you how we do it in the shop here. So once you've installed the first row, the red spacer ring, and then the second row of balls, you install the pawl, the cam arm, carefully onto the top. It's really good to do one side at a time so that you don't spill the balls off as you're installing the other side. So now we're going to install one more row of balls. Grab the red top. Give it a nice press down. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the final cap. So now you're at this point where the cam is basically put back together. Cam arms have no springs attached. Flip the cam over. Grab your spring. Wrap it around. Like so. Do one side. Make sure it springs. Flip it back over. Grab your other side, do the same thing on the other side. Make sure both work. Flip it back over. Grab the red base. Red base in. Snap it back in place. All nice and tight. Cam's all sprung back together. Brand new, ready to install on the boat. My name is Oakley Jones with the Harken Tech team. Like any of our products, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.